What's up, guys? Here we are, another beautiful week, getting ready for Slamfest here in Tampa at the Florida State Fairgrounds. It's tomorrow. I'm heading there right now to set up. Wife's working, got no wife today, but I'm heading there right now to go set up, set the tent up, mark my spot, meet up with all the guys that are coming from South Florida. Y'all stay tuned. It should be a pretty dope ass weekend with a lot of people in town. Scarface coming, people from Texas, people from Georgia, Miami, from all over, man, coming to Slamfest. So it's one of the biggest shows here in Florida, biggest shows of the year here in Florida. So stay tuned while we get there, set up the tent, and get ready for tomorrow, guys. So stay tuned. Yeah, but it's here in Brandon. Well, it's not really Brandon, considered Tampa, but we consider it Brandon because it's right up the road. God damn, look at this traffic, man. Anyways, it's right here in Tampa, Florida State Fairgrounds. We used to come every year to the Lowrider Show and Slamfest. We haven't been in a couple years, so it's pretty exciting that this year we're back, not only as spectators, but as vendors. So that's a pretty dope feeling. So catch us when we're there. All right, guys, we just made it in. Anyways, let's see where they put us. I thought it was gonna be a free-for-all, but I guess they're gonna put us in certain spots. We'll find out though. All the trailer parking. Not that many trailers set up, so there's probably not that many people here yet. I was worrying, man. I thought they were gonna we're gonna get here late. They're gonna put us in a shitty spot, or I was gonna get a shitty spot. But all right, we'll see. We here, guys. We here. All right, just talked to the guy. He was a nice guy. Fucking a lot of people out here, man. A lot of damn people out here. My boy ready like the first day of school. I texted her like 3 minutes ago, I'm outside. That's what he used to do to me.
Go where I'm going to go.
I'll be outside in my, oh shit, you got your trunk back. I'll be outside in my best dress waiting for his ass. This motherfucker said he was around the corner.
Ever seen those videos?
Yeah, that a fucking Ford Ranger. Yeah, that's a clean ass Ford.
Stabilizes itself.
We do. What happened to
but
it?
for like shit like this, I just use that. That's in the book, right?
Then your video gonna come out shaky.
Yeah, if you ever probably see a shaky video, that's probably me. Because Raul.
You to blame for it?
Yeah, because Raul can like stabilize it good.
Damn, can you just keep your hands still?
He gets so mad at me.
On the fucking the Serranos right here.
I'm over here like moving everywhere faster. He's like, slow down.
Let's show the truck coming through. I mean, truck of the year coming through.
Bro, you know how much people will be upset if we won the truck of the year? No, they will be so
Isn't the ticket like $25 for it?
Got Skin Dog in the house.
Mid conversation.
My bad, man. I don't mean to laugh, but what's up, G? What up, G? Man, we out here. It's hot as hell. Having a good day, man.
Yeah.
Man, I'm still shy to be on the camera, bro, to be honest with you.
Don't be shy, bro. You're lit.
I'm still shy, right?
Nah, but we out here, Slamfest 20.
Got Chingo shop in the house. Y'all cop the merch.
Let's see that. Let's see
Where can
that.
they find you, Chingo?
Plant City, Florida, or on Instagram. If you need C-notches, I'm the guy.
Yo,
here in Plant City.
CNC, right? Any CNC work?
We're getting the machine worked out so we can cut some stuff.
Hell yeah.
C notches, plaques, whatever y'all need, man. Hit my boy up. Merch, cop the merch. This one got the one on the back or no?
Not this one.
Okay.
There's just a pocket.
I bet you my clean though.
So we out here, what is it, Slamfest 2021?
30th anniversary.
Yes, sir. Say what's up. Say what's up.
What's up?
a lot going on, right?
That shit don't work.
Wait a minute.
Okay.
What happened?
I'll be.
¿Cómo se dice
What's up, babe? How you feeling? Babe, I had that fan on him.
I took it for a second. 1 second. I've been working my booty off.
We out here, Slamfest 2021.
SiempreTumbado.
7, what?
Hi, Drew.
Head out, bro.
All right, Chingo. Nice seeing you, bro. Appreciate you coming out, man. Hey, y'all follow my dog. My YouTube, man. You ever see it? Check me out. All right. Hi, Chingo. We out here, man. Hot as fuck. A lot of trucks. Ay. Ah. What's up, Alex? Shout your stuff out, man.
Alright, hit me up. And if this is Alex Shots Digital over here, go by Alex. Hit me up, right?
Yes, sir. We out here in Tampa, huh?
Hell yeah. Yo, it is. That's all the way.
Yes, sir. 2021. I'm trying to get a plate of that good summer food over there. What up, dog? What up? My bad, dog.
Imagine those rims on my truck. Just call me T.I., yo.
Man, look at that fucking setup, though. That shit's insane.
Shit. He worked his fiberglass guy to death.
He got no more fingers.
Yeah, no, his fingers are gone. Oh, look, why am I
Here, Patron in the house with a big dog. Woo, 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 woo. You need any water for him, bro, or what? Okay.
You know where they have the Slamfest shirts?
I don't, man, but them bitches are hard, though. I want one. I seen the gray and pink one. I like that one. I don't, man. I wish I did, though, because I'd buy one, too. Probably, if I had a guess, in the front somewhere. Oh, yeah? Maybe inside? You check inside? Maybe inside. I haven't even been inside. Damn, look at that bitch. That bitch is clean.
He's hanging out with that fan, boy. You're the first one I've seen with the fan. That's good. She's hanging out.
My boy got that 18 volt in there.
Hell yeah,
Milwaukee.
look at that 18 volt, boy.
Hi, girl. What you doing? You at Slamfest?
That bitch is hard, man.
Not a lot of people, you know what I mean?
That guy scared the fuck out of me. Hi, big dog. Damn, that shit was loud.
You got lucky. She's straight. If she can handle that, she can handle it. That was like, that scared me. So for the dog not to run,
Hell yeah, man.
that says something, you know what I mean? She's straight.
Booyah.
That's how my dog, man. You got the setup. I got a bully in the house.
Put me down, bro. I want one for the kids.
I'm trying to look for a raise.
You got to. God damn.
Yeah. Cut it. Them bricks way too high. You need to cut it. Your price is way too high. You need to cut it.
Live life on the edge.
So I said, he ain't trying to catch no case. He ain't chasing my phone,
You seen that lawnmower with that motorcycle engine?
What? That was like, hold up, what the? I'm looking for the motorcycle and that little lawnmower. I can't believe it.
Yo! Little kid. Little kid stop by every show. My dog trucking.
Hey, where's Isla? Oh, she's right there.
That's hilarious.
Boys, how are the boys doing?
Good. On the microphone, I couldn't even fucking play this shit.
Why?
This shit was so loud.
Oh, their shit.
And that shit was facing that way.
I know they kept playing the same fuck. Famous Geo on the scooter. He's a runner, he's a track star.
I should have brought my man.